What's up, YouTube? Today we are going to be detailing the interior of the Sohns Appliance Center box truck. It's pretty dirty, so let's get right to it. Before we get into this detail, please take a moment to like and subscribe, as it only takes a few seconds and helps me out a lot. As you can see, the box truck is pretty messy as it gets daily use year-round. It has a few stains in the seats and on the carpets, as well as a lot of grime on all the trim from heavy usage. As always with an interior detail, I begin by removing all personal items from the vehicle and place them aside for the owner later. Next, I begin vacuuming and make sure to be very thorough. As this is a very important step, I try and get the entire interior as clean as possible with just the vacuum before using any other tools. When cleaning the carpets and seats, my method is first spraying on some Chemical Guy's lightning fast stain extractor and agitating with my drill brush, then removing the stain extractor with my spot remover, leaving the carpets clean and stainless. If you are enjoying my videos, please let me know in the comments what you'd like to see more of, and if not, please let me know why, and I'll see to it that I can come up with a solution. This is the nasty water taken from the carpets and seats of the truck. That's nice. Alright, that's it for today's video. The box truck came out looking brand new on the inside. Sohns has got a nice clean truck to drive around in now. And if you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Detail Sherwood, and I'll see you guys in the next video.